Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. We want to end 2019 with a few link shares relevant to the WordPress ecosystem. WordCamp Europe tickets are already open to purchase at 2020.europe.wordcamp.org. It will be held in the beautiful country of Portugal in Porto. I really hope I see you there. WordCamp US is still looking for organizers. If you would like to contribute, fill the form in the link below. Eric Karkovac wrote an extensive article on WP Shout about how to fine-tune your existing WordPress website for accessibility. It's an in-depth article with a few approaches we could do to add accessible features to our WordPress site. Please see the link in the description below. This was the latest weekly update for 2019. It has been a really fun year at Valet with our exciting clients and partners, and we're really looking forward to 2020. Have a nice weekend!